Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be going over my new knife that I got all the way from Bradford, Pennsylvania. Y'all know what knife company is up there, right? Case. Y'all remember that little bitty crown pen that didn't have a shield I sent in? And they was going to give me, it had Delrin handles. They didn't have a shield for it. I was hoping they'd have a shield. I put it on there. They didn't have the shield, so they offered me a $100 gift card, and I took that deal because that's a deal. If you try to sell that knife, you might get 20 or 15 without a shield, especially if it had Delrin handles. This is a 1974 they called it a crown pen. It's a 62042 knife, and this one here is a sleeve board pen. It's a 2000, and this is a 2010 right here. So they might have them for these three, but I don't know about that one. But I did say it wasn't sentimental, so they might just send me a new knife. That'd be cool. So I took the deal. They emailed me. It took a week. By the time I shipped it off, they received it. Once they received it the next day, they let me know they received it the next day. I got the email with a gift card for $100. So that day, I went on their website and ordered a knife. And it's a pattern I'm starting to really like, guys. It is my fourth knife in this pattern, so I cannot wait to share this with you. It's a different handle material now. It's a different handle material, so I can't wait to get over here and open it and show you to you and show you my other ones that I have. So anyway, thank y'all so much for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, I bought me another 75 pattern. This is the knife. I haven't cleaned this up yet. This is the one I got from Lance. I'm going to be doing a consignment sale here for him in a few weeks on Whatnot. But this is a 1977. See there? But look at the blades. He bought a collection, and this was in there, and we made a deal. But look at the blades right here. See, we're going to hit that with a fiber wheel. Inside, we're just going to clean up the knife real good, and give it some oil. But I love that bone right there. See that? Beautiful bone. This side ain't got no milk. It got a little bit, I think. But this is a great knife. Great pattern. It's a big boy now. Big boy. Now this one here is the one I took all apart. I got it in from Mr. Sean. EDC Mech. I'm trying to look for a sunshine cloth. Here's one right here. But got it in from EDC Mech. The pins were sunk down on both sides on the front bolster for the sheep foot blade and the main blade. You can see them, but they ain't sunk down. And it's CV steel, but it had play in the blades. There ain't no play in the blades now. Got good snap. Look at that. Just a beefy knife, y'all. Beefy knife, but it does have pin cracks. That one, I think I done that when I cut it apart. But other than that, guys, it is a beautiful, beautiful knife now. It cleaned up good. But I had to cut all three pins and I cleaned up every piece and put it all back together again. Like Humpty Dumpty.
I don't need all the king's horses and men anymore. The knife doctor can put me together again.
Now this one here is walnut bone. I absolutely love this knife. Script, shield. Right there, I bought this up in Thomaston, Georgia at Cash and King Pond for $75, y'all. Ain't that cool? That was a good find too now.
It's a frost cover.
Yeah, ooh, look at that. That is a nice, that's old right there.
All four of them, that guy just brought. One of them like 2008. He brought that one, and that one.
Oh my goodness. Oh, the doggone.
One of them had the sticker said 2008. I can't.
Well, let me see that right there. The rust lock.
That one?
Uh-huh. Golly.
I ain't never seen one like that.
Yeah, it's pretty. What do y'all want for it?
This is what he got on.
I know y'all just put it in there, and I love that right there too.
Sean might make you a better deal on it.
And let me go ahead and pick that up right there. Four. I'll pick that up.
I told you might make him a deal on.
Let me see that little buck right there. That's a pretty buck.
Yeah, it's black on the other side.
Oh, okay. Well, I be dog. They just brought these in, huh?
You can do better on it for them, Steve.
Let me see that big one right there too.
All them 3-bladed knives, I think, except for
Yeah.
that buck. I think all them case knives are
You
3-bladed.
can put that buck up right there. That right there's a 2011. That's pretty.
Yeah, that's all them knives. He got them for gifts or something. He
Did
said
he really?
he's cleaning out some of his stuff.
Golly.
In fact, one of these boxes, I peeled some paper off of it, like wrapping paper.
Uh-huh.
It's still on there, on the box.
One of them 2008, wasn't it?
Yeah, one of them was.
Which one? I believe it's that one
It's
right
on
there.
it's on this box. It might be on all these boxes what it was.
Yeah.
It wasn't that
Got
one.
the boxes and everything.
That one said right on the front.
Probably that one right there. That's the
Probably this one.
that right there's a 2011. That's gray bone.
This thing somewhere. It said 2008.
That's pretty.
But it ain't on this box. I know I saw it on the box, but I can't remember which box it was on there. Well, I guess it's on that book.
It might be that book.
Yep, 2008. Right there. It's on that book. But they old knives. They knew, but he's had them for a while, I'm sure.
So y'all were just talking. I probably liked him, huh?
It ain't been 20 minutes.
I guarantee it ain't been 20. I just put them in
That
there.
is so funny.
I had to move some stuff. I
Uh-huh.
told Sean, I'm going to move some of this stuff around.
No, we're gonna get that one.
Cases.
And let me go ahead and see that old timer too.
Yep, Sean just put this in there last week.
Did he really? That's a 70s Mach.
Yeah, I think that guy had that. He got it for Christmas or something one year or something.
Wow.
I sure try to get $200 for that thing, that old timer kit. The 2 knives.
Mm-hmm.
Brought in there and said, will you give me 200 for it? I said, no. I said, I think so.
All right. What's best you can do on all that right there?
All this?
Uh-huh. And I'll leave them for somebody else.
Do.
So cash is king.
Yeah, phone, you say?
275. Hoorah. Good find. $75. Couldn't pass that deal up now. This thing is at least 150, 125. Beautiful. Beautiful bone. Call that walnut bone. I got the box for it too. Beautiful, ain't it? Man, it's beautiful. I want to find me some more of these. Anyway, I bought another 75 pattern, and it is right here. We fixing to open it up. Using my Spyderco Pair 3 with the compression lock. I love the compression lock. It's kind of like a liner lock, but on the back side of the knife. Now, it's a different handle material, one that I've never seen before, but it was, I paid $129 for it. I used a $100 gift card, but that was shipping included. It was $129 total out the door. And this handle material, guys, I don't know how they do that. This handle material is micarta. It's green or I think it's supposed to be green and black, ain't it? It ain't the prettiest thing in the world, but it was something I wanted. This is black green natural canvas micarta. Smooth. There it is. It needs to be wiped down. Then, after I bought this, right, they sent me an email saying that the hatch handles were in. So, if I'd have waited one more day, I'd have used it to buy an X handle, but I got one. I got one on the way. I should have bought more, but I only bought one, and I bought this here. So it's a large Stockman. I think it's a 26. No, it's a 20. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 23. Wow, this thing is 3 years old. Got a little bit of blade rub right there. But that's my new 75 pattern. It ain't the prettiest in the world. But it's something I felt like I might, I'm just going to go ahead and pick this up. I like the 75 pattern. And I've got 4 of them now. So, let's see. 2 of them I worked on. Let's see. No, 1 of them I worked on. 1 more I'm going to clean up. But I thought it'd be more green than that. It looks brown and black. It don't look green to me. It had a green tint to it online. That's got more of a brown tint. But it's all right. It's a big boy. Guys, I thought I was recording. When I got off the phone with my boss, I decided to put some wax on this thing to see if it won't help it just felt real smooth, the micarta did. But we just gonna put some wax on this thing and see if it won't help them handles some. Let me get a rag now. We'll buff the handles out real quick. I see a little bit of green. I think that wax helped it some. I see some green in there now. Yeah, see there? I'm seeing some green. How about that? And it gave it a good feel. It was real smooth and slick, but I'm starting to feel the micarta now. I bet you the more you rub on this thing, the more green it'll become. See that right there? I bet you the more you rub on this thing, the micarta's gonna start to feel like micarta. I'm liking it now. Check that out. That wax really helped that, man. Love it, man. Starting to grow on me now. But I see green now. That is awesome. Because when I first opened it up, I'm like, man, I don't see no green. But the more I rub on it, the more I'm starting to see green. That wax really brought that color out. I'm so glad. Nice. Very nice. So yeah, it's growing on me, guys. It is. It is. Let me rub on it some more. All right. She's buffed out now. Yeah, I can see a lot of green in there now. Love it. Y'all let me know what y'all think of my ugly case knife. I don't think it's so ugly now. So you can see that green in there. It's growing on me. It's growing on me, guys. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Again, y'all let me know what y'all think of this thing. I didn't like it at first, But the more I'm fooling with this thing, the more I'm starting to like it. The canvas micarta. Put wax on there, it made a, you can feel the micarta now. It ain't as slick, it ain't as smooth. There it is. It's a big boy now. But one thing about these handles, you ain't got to worry about it like bone or anything like that. This is meant to be used. But we're going to put this thing up in here. I got it for 29 bucks, guys. Had that little crown pin. I sent it to ask Case for a shield. They didn't have one. They offered me 100 bucks for it, and I sent it to them. And I was able to get this knife here. Another 75 pattern. I'm going to start to pick these up from time to time. I might have a Stag 75 over there. Hang on. No, I ain't got a Stag 75, so I got to write that down and find me one. But there it is right there, guys. My new Case knife. Thought it was ugly at first, but the more I'm fooling with it, I'm starting to like it because the green is starting to come out. Green is starting to come out. I can see it now.
I can see! I can see!
That wax made a big difference in this knife. It really did. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. Y'all let me know what you think of my new Case knife. And I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for all the support, the views, the subscribers. Thank y'all so much. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.
Zippos are awesome. It sure beats rubbing rocks and sticks together.